Picture yourself in a living room, your pipe and slippers set out for you. I know you think that it ain't too far, but I hear a call of a lifetime ring. Felt the need to get up for it. Oh, and cut out the middleman. Get free from the middleman. You got no time for the messenger. Got no regard for the thing that you don't understand. You got no fear of the underdog. That's why you will not survive. I wanna forget how convention fits, but can I get out from under it? Can I cut it out of me? Oh. It can't all be wedding cake. It can't all be boiled away. I try but I can't let go of it. Can't let go of it. Cause you don't talk to the water boy. And there's so much you could learn, but you don't wanna know. You will not back up an inch of it. That's why you will not survive. The thing that I tell you now, it may not go over well. Oh, and it may not be thought a while. No way that I spell it out. But you won't hear from the messenger. Don't wanna know about something that you don't understand. You got no fear of the underdog. That's why you will not survive. Right? So fair, let it go on along. I could lose for good. You got that cherry bomb. Blow out that cherry bomb. For me, we lost it long ago. You and me. Now you know your way back from the spirit bomb. Brush your teeth for bed. Blow out that cherry bomb. Blow out that cherry bomb. For me, you got to know it's on your sleeve. Know it's on your sleeve. Know it's on your sleeve. Blow out that cherry bomb. dressing gown. Get yourself to bed, blow out that cherry bomb. Oh, life could be so fair, let it go on and on. I could pay you tonight, hand on you cherry bomb. Oh, life could be so fair, let it go on and on. I could pay the man, hand on you cherry bomb.
Little birdie whispered in my ear, you've been cooking up a world of fear. Put your hands in things you should have known. You was riding in the danger zone, where you had us all fooled with your quarterback smile and your crocodile tears. There for a while my paradigm shifted, man, you're making me shout. Hey, from here on out, friends are gonna be hard to come by. Left us wondering